Hi, have you ever drove down the road and seen someone's stoplight or tail light not working and tell them? Well, that's what happened to me the other day. Someone was kind enough to tell me that one of my lights wasn't working. So watch this video and I'll show you how to change your light bulb out of your tail light and fix it. Okay, you can go to any parts store, and chances being, if they're not busy, if they're not busy, they'll change your light bulb. But for me, if I'm going to change one light bulb, I'm going to change them all. So on my Denali, it takes 6 bulbs. So I would feel funny asking them to change all my bulbs. I'm sure they probably would if they have the time. The other thing, if we're buying one bulb from them, the price for these bulbs are a little high, not too much. But I found if you go to Walmart, they're a lot cheaper, like $1 or $2 cheaper. That could pay for my lunch after I'm done with this. So something to think about. So let's get to work. Okay, like I said, this is going to be really easy. So the first thing you're going to do is back it up to your garage and open up your hatch. Now we're going to go to the passenger side here. We're going to remove these 2 Phillips screws. By the way, if you're having a problem with the third light or your center light above the hatch there, click above on the right hand corner there and I'll show you how to repair it. Once you have the screws removed, you can go ahead and move outward the lens. There's a couple of plastic pins in the back, but it'll slide right out. It's not snapped in or anything. Now I'm going to grab the lens and we're going to twist off the bulb housing. You're going to turn it counterclockwise. You're going to turn it from like 12 o'clock to 10 o'clock and it should unclip. Once you have the bulb out of the lens, just slightly move the bulb and it'll come right out. Just move it outwards from the housing. This bulb is good, so I'm going to go ahead and put it back in. You can do the same thing to the other 2 lights. They come out the same way. For me, if I'm going to take one bulb out, I'm going to take and replace all the bulbs. That way I know I won't have this problem in the near future. As you can see, they unclip out the same way. Like I told you, you don't need any special tools and this is really easy to do. Okay, once you've replaced all 3 of your bulbs, oh, here's another bonus piece of information. All 6 of these lights use the same bulb. I believe the numbers are 3157. Okay, once you put back your light bulbs and change them out, we can go ahead and start to screw the lens back into the body. Again, just insert the lens into those 2 holes. By the way, if you need to change out the headlight bulbs on your front headlights, just click up on the right hand corner there and I'll show you how to replace them. It's just as easy. It doesn't take any tools. Once you got it firmly in, go ahead and put your 2 screws in. And you're done. Now you can do the other side. It's just as easy. Once you've done your other side, you're all done and you're good to go. Okay, well I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope it was very informative. Please check out my other how-to videos. Oh, and check out my new website. There's new items being put in there every day. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and of course, hit the bell. Until then, we'll see you at my next video. Bye!